Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do some harvesting from a raised bed that I've never harvested from, and it only contains one type of vegetable. So the harvest should be amazing. Let's go. Welcome back, YouTube family. This raised bed is from Gro-Rite, and when I put it together, it, the intention was only to plant collard greens in it, and that's what you're looking at. There are three different varieties: Big Daddy Greasy, Big Daddy Greasy collards, one Southern collard, and I want to say 8 or 9 Georgia collards. So what we're going to do today is to harvest from this bed for the very first time. We are having some bad weather come through tomorrow, where the chance of rain is at 99%, and we will have some very high winds to go along with it. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of my plants by harvesting them, and we're going to bring you along. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to work my way around. And I'm going to use the cut and come again method. For ones that are yellow or disease looking, we're not going to get them. I'm cutting the leaves on the outside of the plant and leaving the middle in, so those can be gotten in the next harvest. So basically, this is from 2 plants so far. We're going to go ahead and go all the way around and show you our final harvest. We're just about halfway through cutting, and we're going to get some of the big Daddy Greasy collards on this side. Almost done. I'm going to put these up and come back and finish. So we have finished the harvest for this bed, and in a few moments I'll show you what it was. But think back to the way the bed looked at the beginning of the video, and here is what the outcome was. So here is the total harvest that we got, and by far this is the most collards that I've picked in one picking, and I'm extremely ecstatic and happy about it. Take a look at these. They look great. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this harvest. And like I said, it needed to be done in order to save them from the bad weather that is supposed to be coming tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please, please, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food, as you can see, by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And guess what? If you like my content, I'm willing to bet your friends and family will also. So it's okay to share my content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.